appliances, so I'm using this camera instead of this camera. It's dead and I can't find the charger. It's probably at the apartment. So, sorry if it's like a different quality. Let's get right into it. Ignore my appearance, I'll explain it later. My favorite cosplay this month is Haru, because I haven't worked on anything this month. Oh, there's all the Haru stuff. It'll all be in the description. My favorite music this month is on my SoundCloud. So if you want to hear music similar to this, check the link in the description. And that's not all. It's also the garden, because I just got into the garden like a couple days ago or a week ago or something, and all the music I've liked from them has been added to my Spotify, because I don't know if they're on SoundCloud. I know Enjoy is, which is. Video game this month is Overwatch. I'm a Brigitte main, because I saw Brigitte and I'm like, okay, I have to play Overwatch. Like, I want to cosplay her so bad. And then I started playing and looked at all the character designs and I'm like, I want to cosplay all of them so bad. And so, yeah. My favorite accessory this month is my new purse I got. I got this at Target. And it's just this little backpack, and it's like translucent green, and it can fit my purse in it, and it has this little pocket which I use kind of like an eat bag, but not really an eat bag, just this pin here, and it's just really neat and cute and aesthetic. Like it. Our event this week, which is why I'm dressed like this, has been Spirit Week. I just started it yesterday. It's at my work at Carson's. We're having a Spirit Week. Yesterday was Western Wednesday. Today is Throwback Thursday, so I'm doing like a 90s grunge meme. Just why I look like this. So, yeah, it's been pretty fun. I like it. My favorite entertainment this month is Super Mega, their YouTube channel, Matt and Ryan. They edit Game Grumps, and they make videos of their own, and they're really funny, and I've been liking them, so their link will be in the description as well. My random favorites this month is this bun shaper that I got at Target. It's just like a bun shaper for sock buns instead of using a sock. And it's nice because at Dairy Queen we have to have a bun, and it doesn't have to be like a perfect bun, but this just holds my hair a lot better because you can stick like bobby pins directly into it, and it just gets a nice. This mascara I got, I'm wearing it right now, but not that much, so you probably can't tell how like nice it looks, but it looks really nice. It's like this Estee Lauder sample Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara in Extreme Black. Right, update. So I have 2 jobs now, but don't let that make you think that I'm set financially, because I'm not. If you still want to use my Patreon or Ko-Fi or Redbubble, go right ahead. But yeah, so I don't really have that much time on my hands to make things, so yeah, that's why. ClassicCon East moving back this month, not this month, but next month, so like June. I'm moving back June. A possible hiatus this summer, like I might not upload for a week, or I might not upload for like 2 weeks or a month, because I'm running really low on backlog. You know, to buy, subscribe, see ya.